Welcome back to TechRums. Today we're going to see if we can pick up a phone call from the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite calling an iPhone. So I'm going to have a phone out of screen, which I'm going to go ahead and basically call my phone and see if this watch will do anything. But honestly, it rings here, but I don't see it on my watch. There's no way to pick up or hang up on the Xiaomi Mi Watch. So let's hang up. But basically, you cannot pick up or hang up phone calls with a Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite with an iPhone device. I don't know if it works with Android, but not with an iOS device. So if you were wondering, this video is to help you out. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.